Let me show you how to make this oat banana cookie. Get ready with me. So in a bowl, we are going to peel our bananas and then mash them. We want to make sure that we are mashing them so that it will not be that too smooth but have the lumps inside. We are going to then add our eggs. Then we add our dates also. Then after, we will transfer our oats inside. Add the yogurt. Then we mix all together. So when we get to this form, we then add our peanuts and then we mix it again till they are all mixed together. Then we are going to add our apple to it and then mix it together again. When this is done, we then add our granola. Then we mix it finally, and then we are going to transfer it into our baking pan. I lined the baking pan with a baking sheet so that it becomes easy to remove and then also doesn't stick to the pan. So I scooped them and placed them in this form. And then we are going to preheat our oven and bake it for 25 minutes under 190 degrees heat. Always make sure you preheat your oven so that the heat is evenly distributed inside before you do the baking itself. It is very, very important to always preheat your oven. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that notification button so that you don't miss out on any content I share in the future. Thanks for watching.